Hey y'all, Rhonda here. Hope everyone's doing well. Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm still working on boxes. If you know, you know. Anyway, had a fantastic day today. Didn't start out so great. Waiting on the cabinet guy to come take care of a couple of things, and I waited an hour and he never showed up. So, anyway, whatever. We'll get him fixed eventually. So, I took AJ and she went and got her permit. She took her permit test, and of course, she's great at taking tests. So we got it. Had to go to the tag office, make it official, get the paper, the permit, and then they're going to mail it to her. So we're getting closer to driving and all that fun stuff. So anyway, we had to go celebrate. And of course, where did she want to go? It was either Bob Evans or Cracker Barrel. So we went to Cracker Barrel. You know what happens at Cracker Barrel? Shopping. Well, anyway, I wanted to pick up a few things because I'm sending a couple of care packages across the pond. So I wanted to get some, really American stuff. And so anyway, we were having fun. AJ and I always have a blast. And so we had to get some nostalgic candy and, soda pop and all that stuff. So speaking of soda pop, do you say pop or do you say soda or do you say Coke? Like, you want a Coke? I've got, I have 7-Up, I have Dr. Pepper, I have this, but you call it Coke. Or do you say soda? Or do you say pop? That's the burning question for the day. Anyway, so we're walking around. Well, find all kinds of stuff. AJ is going into greenhouse, horticulture, national parks, park and recreation. I mean, that kind of, plant stuff. And so we were talking about taking road trips. And I had asked her before, I said, where would you like to go on a vacation? Which, if you've been around, you know about our road trips and all of our fun. And I said, where would you like to go? Puppies are in their kennels. Anyway, it's 12:15 in the evening. So everybody is asleep. So anyway, so where would you like to go? I mean, would you like to go see the pyramids? Would you like to go, see the Eiffel Tower? Where'd you like to go? And she's like, Mom, I got enough stuff in my own backyard I'd like to see. And I thought, that's really cool. The national parks and we do have a lot of cool stuff here in the United States. So anyway, with all that being said, so we're at Cracker Barrel, we're shopping. And I'm like, AJ, look. So it is USA National Parks, a complete guide to all 63 parks. I thought, we got to get this. We got to plan some trips. So I haven't even looked. I mean, we thumbed through it, but I mean, the pictures and all this. Anyway, and then I just noticed there's a map in the back, and then there is stickers. So I mean, it's like cool stuff. So anyway, I'm going to be out tonight looking at this. And then of course, like I said, we had to get some really cool candy and things. But anyway, then I saw this and I was like, this is really cool, AJ. And she's like, Mom, get it. You deserve it. Get it. I'm like, oh, I love her. So sorry for the noise. Hang on. So speaking of that, of course, I have my tea, Slurp Alert. So anyway, I thought, no, I don't need it. So I'm looking at the other things. And anyway, I'm like, this is really cool. I've never seen anything like this before. She's like, Mom, get it. Just get it. So I got it. I got a new tea mug. Look. Is that not cool? I don't know how comfortable it's going to be to drink out of, but I mean, is that not cool? I mean, there is the gang. I'm just like, the little wheels and I thought, well, at the very least, I could put a plant in it or something, but I just thought that was so cool. So you may be seeing me take some Slurp Alerts with this. Anyway. So we got all kinds of cool stuff. We went to Dick's 5 and Dime, which is an old-time 5 and 10 cent store. Some of you guys know. If not, Google it. And then we have a candy store that has been here forever, and it has the old wooden door that slams, screen door, that slams, and then these huge bathtubs full of all kinds of candy and anyway, just very cool. I'll insert a picture because right here, picture. So anyway, so it was a good day. And I probably should do an unboxing of, you could see some bags over there from when we went to the 5 and 10 cent store and all that. But anyway, maybe later. So, I'm redone the house, working on AJ's. We've got to go to IKEA. We've been putting it off because different things, life, all that. So we're working on it. We'll do it when we do it. It'll get done. So anyway, it's AJ's senior year coming up, and I'm not gonna miss a thing. And she's involved in FFA and drama and marching band and all kinds of stuff. And it's gonna start here in 2 weeks. I mean, the summer. FFA's gonna start. Band camp's gonna start. I mean, it's already, and I know it's gonna go by fast. And I'm like, oh. So if you guys see me twitching a little bit throughout the year, you'll know because it's getting close to graduation, and I'm anyway, slurp alert. So anyway, I was playing around on Amazon, which who doesn't love Amazon? And I saw this and I thought, I'm getting organized. And so I thought, we're gonna see. I haven't looked at this yet. It looked pretty cool on the page there. So I thought this will help me. Because this way, Keith's always asking, what's AJ doing? Well, what about this week? Well, what about, and then I have to, because I'm a pencil and paper girl. I mean, I have my what do you call it, planner, and so I refer to that all the time. I make all my notes, and it's kind of like a diary too, but everybody else needs to know. They don't, they're not looking in my book here. Oh, and so anyway, I thought we're gonna give this a try. We're gonna see. Look, hint hint. I know it's kind of weird with the lighting, but so we have dry erase markers. Look at all the fun colors. And of course, you guys, oh, the lighting's changed. Sorry about that. I don't know how to fix it. Okay. That's kind of wild. Maybe it'll go back. If you guys are anything like me, it says it's 12 by 14 or it's, whatever, and you have a good idea, even if you have a measuring stick or something, still. Okay. So they're a little smaller than what I thought. Oh, look, I'm back now. All right, let's see. Okay. So this is, oh, and it has the paper on it. I mean, the protective stuff on it. So it's crystal clear. So there's a blank one. And then we have, and they're magnetic. So this is daily. Okay, let's just remove this. Maybe. How do you, please remove protective film before use. Okay. That's easier said than done. Do I need instructions? Okay, well, I'll have to do this off camera because on camera it's not going to work. Okay, so you can kind of see, it's going to mess with the camera again, but see the daily and then your lines and your boxes. There we go, to funky color again. And then we have, magnets are strong. And then we have weekly planner. So there's a little box up here, and then your days of the week here. And then, oh, back again. And then we have monthly planner. And so it has the days of the week up there. And then it has all the, for your month. So let me peel some of this off and see if we can see it better. Hang on a second. Okay, I'm back. And of course, as soon as I turn the camera off, the coating, the paper came right off. But look, it's crystal clear. Is that not fun? Okay, let's try a magic marker and see, because it shows that they're really bright. Okay, let's try green because green's my favorite. And the only thing I don't like, I just noticed, is it doesn't have, they're not magnetic, are they? No. So I have to keep a little jar or something next to the fridge. Let's see. I'll just write my name on here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I likey, and then you just wipe it off. And then these are pretty fine point too. I don't know if you can see. So that'll be easier to write on this. It's actually going to be a great size. Perfect for the fridge because, when they designed it, they knew what they were doing. but you can kind of see. And then that way I can put all the activities so everybody knows where everybody's going for the week or for the month or, you know. Anyway, I thought, oh, got to get organized, more organized, I guess. So I just wanted to share that with you really quick. I hope everybody's doing fine. I'm working on videos. I'm working on boxes and doing the unveiling of everything and new ideas and all kinds of fun stuff. So anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. And until next time, bye for now.